Hello, mi amigos, mi amigas, mga nami lawas. Ayan guys, for today, we're gonna make a hand bouquet. No, not a hand bouquet. It's a simple box round with red roses at the top. So this box is customized. We're gonna put what you call this, stickers, and any names you can put it here, no problem. Okay guys, without further ado, let's start it. So ayan guys, I made a red roses in a box like this, and we put it aster. Ayan, it's so very pretty now. And let's continue. Char. Continue. Let's keep the camera here. Okay. And continue the work. Charot. Keep it there. So very nice guys. Simple arrangement only in the box with red roses, and linagyan natin siya ng palamuti. Char palamuti. Let's continue guys. So ayan guys, it's ready. Ayan. This is our simple box with red roses and aster. So ayan guys, mga hindi pa nakasubscribe sa aking channel, make sure you subscribe guys and hit notification bell for the latest videos. Thank you for watching guys. Hope you enjoy your day. Peace.